Next, I'm gonna make a special olive. This is 100% green olive wool. And then here's some wool, synthetic yarn. We'll see what we come up with this. Cut that, get those tips even. And we're gonna cut. Okay, so there's our olive. Now we're gonna take some of this wool. This comes in sheets. And we're gonna cut. Start cutting pieces of wool and put in there. So we got there. Take just a pinch of this ice dub. Let's drop some of that in there. And that's our concoction. This might be my new BWO. Betis. I'm gonna add a dab of chartreuse. Probably thinking I'm crazy. Oh man, you got that. I'm having fun right now. A little more of this. See, look at that. It's good looking fiber. Longer than it really is wool. That's what we got in there. Let's see what we got. Yeah, look at that. Now let me show you what it looks like with the UV light. Those green strands. There it is. Let's look at the UV now. And you could do that with a bunch of colors. So we're going to start an olive line. I'll put the olive right there. You know what? If you guys have a color that you want me to blend, put it in the comments and I'll do another video. I'm always looking for more video ideas. But anyways, if you've out this long, I sincerely appreciate it. That's it. That's the end of the video. So you guys take care of yourselves. If you like this video, I ask it'd be cool if you could subscribe and maybe give the video a like. I hate asking that, but you guys, it's just part of the helping the YouTube algorithm rank. I appreciate you guys watching, and this is Steve from Blackfly signing out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.